Hello, good morning. My name is Baptiste, I'm chef from the restaurant Colvert, and today we will make two recipes with eggs. I will make you one French omelette, the classical, we can find in the palace, and one spring of cocotte because we are in the May of June. So we will use different kind of vegetables like spring onion, rhubarb, peas, marjolaine and melice to give some flavor to the eggs. And then now we can start. So we are going to start by the omelette in the first time, okay? The omelette. The real one is 3 eggs. Okay. Salt. 2 eggs, you put salt. Thank you. A bit of pepper. You can put some chili, like espelette pepper. So now we warm the pan. We use this one. This one is very important. The pan is hot. We add some butter, a little bit, between 5 and 10 grams. The pan needs to be hot, but not too much. And now we turn like this. You turn. The eggs start to cook. You see on the side like this. And slowly we will down the fire. Now we can stay like this, we can rest. Okay? Now we can rest. Down the egg is cooking slowly. And just upstairs, here's what I do. I can use this. Just 10 seconds. Check this. It should be okay. And so now up. So you roll like this, up, and then you get your omelette. Et voici.
Thank you.
So now for the second recipe of the eggs. I've been this morning at the market and I found some spring ingredients. Also we have the eggs, bio eggs, okay, we can see here, zero, like I don't want to say this is good quality. We have the white asparagus, spring onion, peas, rhubarb, and the herbs with the big flavors. And I found the fish, smoked fish, the haddock. Very easy to find in all the market. And with all the vegetables, I did this. So I did my peas, I chop my onion, roast my asparagus. The rhubarb I cooked slowly in a syrup, okay, flavored with mint and basil leaves. And I found some pistachos in my room, okay. So now just we will start to make the haddock cream. Like this, you use all the haddock. This is very easy to do. This one you put boiling, and after you rest 20 minutes. Okay, for the recipe, this one is already done. And so now for the recipes. With the asparagus, I did this one with the head, but with the other one, I did an asparagus cream. So you put your asparagus raw, you put some creams, you let cook between 10 and 15 minutes, and after you mix with the mixer. I put a little bit in the bowl like this. You make a hole like this. We could put the yellow eggs, the yolk inside. Up. That's fine. So this we will put start just to so just now you fill your bowl. Okay, and now I will put in the oven at between 80-85 degrees during 10 minutes. So now our eggs are cooked. Okay. We can rest here. So now we start to cook the vegetables. Butter. I put spring onions. salt. Les petits pois. These are very small good quality. You can start raw. You don't need to cook in the water before. Yeah. This one is the raw rhubarb. Now we can have the flavor. Flavor is coming. Very nice. And to finish, put the melice, marjolaine. I don't chop because I want to keep the entire leaves. I think it's better to have the flavor when you eat it. I put it in the same pan, huh? Very simple. Okay. So now, just need to take. The peas are good. Wait, a little bit more. We stop. And now, when the egg is still hot, and now you put the vegetable like this. Actually, all is fresh, made à la minute. So you have a beautiful flavor. You cannot feel by the camera, but it's feeling very nice. And then put asparagus. We have the haddock. So the rhubarb, and pickles to bring some acidity, some pistachio for the crispy, like this. We have a good color now. And to finish, the other cream we made just before. Tac. To make an emulsion. Okay, like this. And you put a little bit of cream and the form. Ça va bien souffler. Et voilà. Bon appétit.